I have an expression in life. There's only one person who can tell me what I can and can't do. You know who that is? A physicist. A physicist makes the rules. We as engineers use those rules to change the world. So long as physics says it's possible, I believe it's possible. And that's why I have a company, Impossible Incorporated. Because nothing's impossible. Just the way you're trying to do it might be. Well, my title is always like a weird thing. So I call myself, I'm a postdoc research associate is my formal title, but I go with postdoc, adjunct professor, innovator, and entrepreneur. That's what my business card says. I have a passion for being an entrepreneur, for solving those problems in life. I call them the wouldn't it be nice if problems. We all experience them. Wouldn't it be nice if blank? I had, in my case, wouldn't it be nice if I could run wires without making a mess? And thankfully I have the skill set and the mindset, and Lehigh has really helped me foster those two together to be able to solve these problems and come up with technical solutions that enable me to change the world. And really we have the resources here and the intellectual capital, minds that are great in so many different fields that can support these endeavors.
You can see it's that.
Is this
That's
3D
detail.
printed?
Yes.
Yes.
My Lehigh experience is what I wanted it to be, and it was able to be adapted. If you want to do something, you can make it your own experience. There's people here doing just about everything, and the doors are rarely locked. You can knock on a door, and there's somebody there to help you and encourage you. I've walked into Packard for 10.5 years. I've seen the same people here for 10.5 years. I live in South Bethlehem. I work in South Bethlehem. So it will be a drastic change, but change is what leads to innovation. Change is growth. And so for my personal growth, I think that that is the necessary next chapter in my Lehigh story, is continuing to be a part of the Lehigh family, continuing to work with Lehigh, but in a different role. And so I'm very much looking forward to that and really seeing where this relationship can keep going.